Hi, thank you for clicking on our link. So, I'm asking for just a few minutes of your time. I want to help you achieve financial freedom because our schooling systems have let us down, and that's why Laguna Eye Capital was created. What they should have taught you in high school, we are here to teach you what they should have taught you. With this being said, I'm not going to make you rich. I'm not going to sell you on some stock guru bull. And what I am going to do is give you the tools towards success. I want to help you create and grow your wealth creation and alongside of you be on that journey. Laguna Eye Capital wants to continue the path of ethical and educational finance, one that gives back to the community and doesn't profit off of you like other big financial firms, as we very well know. With that being said, let's all join a social change and a social revolution with Laguna Eye Capital. So I'm asking you to become a member, and alone in your first week of membership, you should be able to make back what you paid for with the course and profit in the future with our offering. We all start off with budgeting. So you need to understand what you bring in and how much you're spending, and that also encompasses what budgeting is. So how can you even buy something new, a new car, a new TV, even throw your money in Robinhood or one of the stock market applications when you don't even truly know what's sitting in your bank account at the end of the day or at the end of the month? What about those monthly expenses? What about those unknown, miscellaneous expenses that may have come up? So what we want to do is work alongside of you, creating a budget, understanding where to minimize your expenses and maximize your income. What happens if you want to purchase a new car or something like that? What you thought would have been $400 because you see on a sticker could actually end up being $1,100 after insurance, miscellaneous expenses, and things like that. So, wouldn't it be great to ask financial questions towards somebody who understands it, maybe further explanations, or just to learn simple new concepts? Understanding the realm of finance for once in your life, and that's what we're here to offer you. Laguna Eye Capital offers so many ways to increase your income because what matters at the end of the day is minimizing your expenses. But if you do have expenses, let's maximize the income opportunities that you can make off of your expenses. And with that being said, how about you should look at scanning your receipts at the end of the day? We're going to help you alongside of that. What about applications on cryptocurrency, the stock market information and news? And lastly, credit cards, credit card churning. Take what your expenses are and maximize your income off of that. Also, creation of new bank accounts, savings accounts, the newest, latest, and greatest information we want to bring to you with just a click on our website so that you don't have to do the research. We'll do it all for you. With a simple login on our website, you're able to learn and burn all of this information into your head. So while we're at it, let's increase that wealth and let's minimize those expenses. So if you haven't picked up already, Laguna Eye Capital is a company for the people and by the people. We actually care about you guys, unlike the big banks. We want to see your wealth increase. And with that being said, we implemented a section called Stories. And what Stories does is it gives a voice for you and it gives a voice for those who are not being heard. And what that means is, you're able to come about and say, hey, I have a question about this financial concept, about that. Should I rent? Should I do mortgage? Should I get this credit card? Should I get that credit card? I'm already in debt. How should I work around that situation? All of those things are able to be asked to us, and we're here to answer them all for you. And we also want to work alongside of people who have fallen down financially, and we want to give them a story or a voice to be heard, in which case we're all a community at the end of the day. Let's bring each other up and let's rise with each other. And we want to implement our practices on other people who have fallen under. So with all that being said, how about you guys join our community of Laguna Eye Capital? Join our membership. We want to work alongside of you. We want to work with you guys on increasing that wealth, learn about income opportunities, and while we're all at it, let's further implement our financial practices that we learn. Ask us whenever you want, any time of the day. Text the number, call the number, do whatever you feel, and let's make some moves to grow your wealth out of this roof. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it.